Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How
Good
many of you are
morning,
there?
all. Good morning. Very few girls joined yet. Let's wait for more.
There are many.
Anybody from commerce section?
Ananya Yadav is there. Ananya Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Then who else is there from commerce
Okay.
section?
Let's see.
Shubhi Jindal has come.
Shubhi has come. Sign. Ananya, Anshu, Arushi. Arushi, today you are there now for the bio class?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta,
Good.
why are you so? Why have you become so careless, Ayushi? You're not coming to the classes.
Ma'am, after many days after chasing her, rather today Arushi has joined my class, bio class. Imagine for main subject also she's not coming. And
Arushi,
Mehak,
what
to
is
you
the
never
problem?
come. Aren't
And
you
math, you
keeping
have,
well?
and you have asked, you have joined her in a toppers group. Beta, what is? How can we get? You're not coming for the classes also, not even for the evening classes, not also for the morning classes. Arushi, what is the problem? Are you keeping fine?
Hmm.
Your health is okay?
That is what I was also feeling. Are you not keeping well or something?
Arushi, keep your video on so that we can see your actual condition. We'll make out. Arushi, all of you keep your video on, girls.
Not keeping well? Okay,
What is the
Mehak,
problem?
are you there? Mehak, good morning.
She is also
Mehak.
a guest, you know. Mehak, we are not able to mehak you. मतलब smell you. Mehak.
She never comes, ma'am. She never comes for
Ah,
classes
ma'am. She
and she
comes
does not
once in
take
a week.
my. Yes.
Ma'am, she comes once in a week. She comes, and then for the entire week she compensates
Ah.
with one
Mehak, I
attendance.
called you yesterday. You did not take my call also. Yesterday only I called her. She did not
Phone
take
was
my
not with me.
The phone was?
It was not with me.
And it is never
Okay.
with you except for one day. That means your parents give you phone only for one day in a week, and sometimes once in 2 weeks. Yes, Mehak. Mehak,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
she got 99 out of 100 in 10th standard. Mehak.
They need to realize, ma'am, English is their strength for these kind of children. That day I spoke to Adya for this. I said, Beta, your strength is English. You should focus on this. It's going to give you a good boost in your percentage.
But they
But
are hard
I
to
don't,
watch.
they're taking things so lightly. Even Adya is one of them. She
Huh,
also,
Adya, God, no, she's preparing for some kind of admission somewhere in UK. Huh?
Ma'am, actually, my one of the family member expired these days, so it was a bit difficult for me to join the classes.
Okay, okay. So at least you should have shared this with us, no, beta.
exactly.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
until and unless you'll tell us, how would we know, na? We would keep feeling, I don't know why this child is not coming, not even taking my calls. It's better you share with us whatever it is. Now, see the entire strength when we talk about science and commerce, ma'am,
See,
only
ma'am,
12
heart
girls.
is all the girls, ma'am, because that itself proves the point that girls do not want to raise their to speak for themselves.
Yes. Only 9 participants are there from both the sections.
And if we would have allowed boys to come, the number would have been more of
Yes,
boys, ma'am,
yes.
of boys. That means
And
boys
this,
are more conscious,
yes. Anshu,
and girls.
I think Anshu also there. Anshu Gangwar is there. Anshu, good morning. Anshu
Good
Gangwar.
morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Beta,
Beta,
ma'am.
need to
again
speak
you
at
are not
times.
there for bio classes. Again you were not there today. What happened?
I'm not feeling well.
How many times are you unwell, beta? Every time I tell you why don't you come for classes, you have the same answer, not feeling well. In bio
No,
also you're not.
ma'am.
This is your main subject, biology. You're not coming. Even are you aware of the syllabus? How many chapters are coming in biology in the exam? Tell me, beta. How many chapters in biology are coming in these exams, Anshu? I don't want the names. I just want the number. How many chapters are coming? See? Not just tell me, ma'am, what do I do?
Ma'am, the condition is similar with all of them also, those who are there present in the class.
And then we are answerable for so many things. For biology classes, not turning up. You're not even aware of the syllabus. Syllabus was shared about 4 days now. I suppose it's already 4 days.
And you will
We-
not have your online tests.
Exactly.
You have to come to school. It's compulsory for each one of you to come to school.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ananya Sharma?
ma'am, Gausia is in the waiting room. Please allow her.
Acha, Divya ma'am will allow.
Okay, sure.
She is another one.
Gausia
Just
sometimes
stop
one-
responding at all.
Sometimes she'll come in.
Ma'am,
And
she will come
sometimes-
only for the namesake. Only for the namesake she will come and then she will disappear. She has number of other engagements.
Same is Shireen case. By name,
Same, ma'am. I am after her life. I don't know what she's up to.
Shireen is just joining us. Let's talk to Shireen as
yes.
well today.
Please open your video so that at least we can face each other. And if you are not able to face us, that means there is something fishy. That means you are guilty.
Mehak,
huh?
are you there,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Please
Yes,
switch
Will
on
you
your
do
video,
me a
each one of
favor?
you.
Yes,
Ananya
ma'am.
Yadav, Shubhi,
You are technically
why
more
don't you
smarter.
show yourself?
You need to take screenshots of all the girls here. They'll be switching on the
Okay,
videos
ma'am.
for a minute. Please take a screenshot of all of them and just send them to me.
Himanshi
ma'am.
We
Vashish
need to
is
save
another
the
one.
screen. Yes,
Ma'am,
please
what
on
about
the
Himanshi
videos.
Vashish? Is she
Rohini,
coming? Himanshi Vashish, is she
video
coming
on
for
please.
classes?
Ananya, Shreya,
Yes,
Anshu.
ma'am, I'm present. Manshi Vashisht present.
Beta, you are
Beta,
always
keep taking
present, but you are not
screenshots.
seen after that.
Keep
Himanshi
taking
Vashish,
screenshots.
we are not seen after that.
Very good. Mehak is there. Meg, your responsibility to take screenshots, okay?
Shubhi Chindal,
Of all
show
the
yourself.
girls.
Shubhi
Yes,
Chindal,
please.
show yourself. Arushi is saying, please, let us see. Huh? Let both the teachers see what is your condition better so that we could console you, we could help you out.
Himanshi, beta, camera
she,
on for
she
a
never
minute.
turns out. Himanshi, what
Where
is
is
the problem
Shireen?
with you? Gausia, good
Very
morning.
good.
Gausia, are you there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Acha beta, but why have you stopped talking to us?
Rohini is
Gausia?
also there. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Mehak,
Beta,
keep
why
taking
have- open your
screenshots,
video.
beta.
Open your video, beta. Open
Take
your video.
screenshots. Ananya, Rohini, Ananya Yadav, Shreya, Anshu Gangwar. Videos on, please.
See, look at, see. Are what is the problem, Rohini?
Yes.
You're looking so beautiful today. At least once you join our classes videos, if the videos are on, you'll feel like dressing up and be presentable in the class. Are you
Okay,
enjoying
Ananya
the style?
Sharma is there.
Are you
Mehak,
enjoying
you're
the
taking
style?
now? Mehak, you're taking the screenshots?
Gausia,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
present yourself.
Okay. Himanshi, Gausia, Anshu, camera on, please.
Shreya,
Shireen, beta, we need screenshots. Shireen.
Ma'am, I'm
Not turn up,
unable to
huh?
open my camera.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Shireen is
Anshu
not
has joined us.
Shireen.
Fine.
Hey, Shireen.
Anshu is
Your
there.
sister can
Gausia
open
is
it.
there. Very good.
Shireen's sister is
Mehak,
in
don't
12th
miss
standard,
anybody.
Samira.
Okay? Mehak, don't miss anyone. Take
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
screenshots.
ma'am.
Okay, Shireen has also joined us. Take screenshots.
Priya.
Anshu, again disappeared. Beta, camera on. Himanshi, Shreya and Priya. Pretty girls. All of you looking so pretty.
Ma'am, I'm
beta.
changing my settings because it's unable to open the camera.
Himanshi is also on.
I'm changing
May
the
keep taking
settings.
screenshots now. May
Priya,
keep taking
Priya.
screenshots.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm the eldest of all, so I am removing, okay, so myself. I'm sitting on my video. Otherwise, now it is okay. All the young girls are there.
May keep taking screenshots of everyone. Nobody should be missed out.
Priya,
Ma'am, Priya is remaining.
Priya, any problem?
Ma'am, I am unable to open my video.
Okay, what about Himanshi? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, it's done.
Okay, it's done. You've taken screenshots of all?
Ananya,
Yes,
Meg,
ma'am, except
anybody?
Priya. Yes, ma'am, except Priya.
Except Priya, no issues. Then it's okay. Beta, if you want, you can switch off now. If you're not comfortable. If you're comfortable, leave it on. If
ma'am,
you're not
Ariba is there.
comfortable,
Ariba has joined us. Ariba.
Ariba and Arushi have just joined again. Let me see if they can also switch on their cameras for a second. Yes, Ariba, Arushi. On your cameras for a second. Ariba, are you there? Switch on your camera for a second, beta.
Ariba.
She joined, but I don't know, she's not responding, ma'am. That is what I'm seeing. She was in the waiting. Shireen, are you there, beta? Shireen Milik? Shireen, am I audible? Shireen?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, why are you not coming for your biology classes? What happened? Any problem? Hmm?
But ma'am, in English
Right.
classes, she's there.
Ma'am, bio is very early now. It is the first class.
No, ma'am. Otherwise also, she's there only to mark her presence, and after that she disappears.
This is what she's doing in bio classes also, ma'am.
In all the
Same thing
classes, she's
today.
doing the same thing. You ask Danish sir, I think he will also report the same thing.
Shireen, why?
We need to talk to your parents. We need to talk to your parents.
No, ma'am.
Yesterday also I
Report the
called
matter.
her. She did not take my call yesterday also, Shireen.
Ma'am, we need to change our number now because now they have started recognizing our numbers and purposely they don't pick up. Maybe they would have blocked us
Ma'am,
or they would have put certain names for
ma'am, my
us.
phone number is changed.
Acha, your phone number is changed. So why didn't you give it to us?
Okay, number is changed now.
Yes, ma'am.
She should inform, na? She
So
should
maybe.
inform
But
us.
then why are you not coming for classes?
Ma'am, I'll come now.
Now she will come, ma'am. But then she
Syllabus
will
is
go out.
almost done. We are starting with the last chapter now.
And ma'am, we are discussing the papers now. So even if you would have not been attentive, you can be attentive now. But still, these girls, some
Exactly.
of the girls are not at all taking care of that.
Mm.
You will not have online exams, board exams.
I don't know. They are aware of the new pattern also of the paper or not.
Ma'am, they are
I don't
hardly
know. Most
bothered.
of them. Mm.
Maybe they are
Though we
thinking
are
that they
taking
can
up,
have their online exams also, online exams.
yes.
Board will
Last
conduct
4
online exams.
sessions, we have just discussed the paper only, how the pattern has
That
changed.
is
But
what
I
I'm
don't think,
doing.
beta.
That is what we are doing right now.
Yes.
Gausia,
But you are not coming. They're not coming only.
and then Gausia
Yes,
is also
ma'am.
the same. Gausia was earlier quite attentive, quite she responded, huh? But now she has stopped responding at all. She's not there. I keep calling her and she's never seen after that. She comes for the attendance also. That after that also, God knows where she's busy. Meher, all of them are busy birds. They're busy bees. Except us, man, we teachers are very free, quite free. We don't have any work. We
They are
don't have
very
anything.
busy.
They're very.
I wish that whatever you're busy in is something fruitful for you, children. That is more important. God knows what you're busy in. Anyways, we have few minutes left. The basic session today is for awareness. That is what we were trying to do till now, making you more aware about your classes. See, if you're aware about the importance of classes, you'll do well in life. If you'll do well in life, you won't need such sessions. Got my point? If you're financially independent, you are on a good post, you may not come across those hardships which normal women have to face on the road or at home. So, girls, the first lesson is this only what both of us are trying to do, trying to motivate you to be serious about your studies, beta. This is the first step for your safety, security, confidence. If you're literate, you are safe automatically. You know what to do, you know how to handle situations. Don't take things lightly, beta. This is the first step for confidence. Okay? If you're educated, things become easier for you. Okay? How many of them are still there and how many have left? That also we don't know when we are speaking. The problem is this.
Ma'am, they will leave. One by one, they will leave because both of us are talking. What? I don't want to name it as per their slang, their language. Yes. So it hardly matters. They are financially quite sound, ma'am. Safe also. They don't have any worries in their life. Their future is secure. Yes,
We
Himanshi?
really wish and pray
We
to
wish
God.
that. We wish that. We wish that.
Yes,
All
exactly.
our blessings are, see, we bless you to have a blessed life always.
Okay, the
But
same question which I asked class 11th also. Same question to start with.
yes, ma'am.
Girls, if at times you feel something you're not comfortable with, or you feel this place is not safe, or people around you are not safe, and you want help, what will you do? What is the first thing you'll do? Whom will you approach and how?
Should be.
Family.
Huh?
Family. Okay. Supposing you are at a place where your family would take time to reach. What will you do then? You'll call your family, the
Should we give
family
the
will
answer?
reach you.
Should we
Ma'am,
give the
I
answer
try to be between the crowd.
in the crowd? And do you think you are more safe when you are in a crowded place?
Ma'am, but people will be there. They can support us if anything
You
happens.
expect help from people,
Yes, ma'am.
but what is required to get help?
Okay, supposing if there are no people around you, not many of them, 3, 4 isolated place, and you still feel somebody's chasing you and you're feeling very insecure. Tell me, you people are very aware,
Ma'am,
girls.
I share
Shreya,
my phone with someone.
others are not responding at
I
all, ma'am.
share my
Shreya,
live location
With
you will
whom?
share your live location. Acha. Shubi, what are you going to
with
do?
my brothers or father or mother or anyone.
Again,
Shubi,
beta, the same issue. They'll take time to reach you.
Shubi,
Supposing you
what
are
are
at
you
civil
going to do?
lines.
Shubi,
Hmm.
are you there? Shubi, Rohini, Ananya Yadav. Ananya Yadav is quite a smart girl. Come on, Ananya Yadav, what are you going to do? Ananya Yadav, if you're there. And it is not technical.
I'll try and get help from the people that are around, and if they're not going to help, matlab, if they are not, if they ignore or something, then I'm like, I'll I'm more capable of, maybe I'll try to do something to that person, or just try. Matlab, I cannot just keep my hands still and cannot wait for others to to happen to me. So I'll try do something which helps me, like physically, like
So
be
try
that
to do
person.
something.
Yeah,
Try
try
to.
to do.
Okay.
Very good.
No,
This
okay.
is no doubt the confidence which is required. We don't react, we don't speak. Whether it is domestic violence or it is eve teasing, the problem starts when we don't react, when we don't respond, and the other person starts taking us for granted, beta. Even if we are able to do something or not is a different matter, but at least try. That is very important. The other person's half of the confidence and guts goes away once they see you reacting and responding. That is what is needed,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Speak out, react out. You
In the
can do
class
nothing.
also,
You can even, yes.
many of you are keeping quiet.
We can make
Hello.
severe injuries.
Severe injuries. Okay, severe injuries by keeping quiet.
No, ma'am.
And how will you do that? Come on, serious injuries. And do you think you are strong enough to deal? Do you think you're
The
strong
main
enough?
Ma'am,
mission here
everyone has a
is,
weak point.
Huh?
beta, these people are unknown people. We don't know their weaknesses. They are
Huh?
unknown people on the road. They are
Mehak,
strangers.
ma'am, let us know what weakness is she talking about. Come on, Mehak. How are you
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
hurt them? Tell us. Share, maybe others are not knowing about it. There are some weak points. Come on. Where are you going to hurt? Be frank.
Ma'am,
Be
I
frank. Speak
can
anything with us. Huh?
I can kick
Come
them
on.
in the
Speak,
that
Mehak. No
region.
problem. Huh?
Ma'am, I can kick him in that region.
That region. Bio, ma'am, bio. What kind of bio is it? See, they are not even
Okay.
aware of the body parts. See, this is what is
Okay.
required. Be
Mehak is
frank.
not a bio student. Mehak is not a bio
Whatever it
student.
is, but she has learned bio up to 10th standard, the basic bio,
At
no?
least she has the guts to say
Yes.
this.
She said
Happy
another,
to see this.
Rohini,
Very good.
of
Hmm.
course, private parts you can hit. The most sensitive part and get, that could be done. But for that
Very
also,
good.
you need to lift your leg. Remember that.
Ma'am, we can hurt their eyes.
Low. And that is missing. Most of the time,
That
what
day,
happened?
yes, we have those sprays and all these days, pepper sprays, chili sprays,
Huh.
which are
And
really
for
going
that,
to help out.
but for that also, they need to take it out from their purse, from their
Yes,
wallet, from their
exactly.
bag. That also requires courage.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should be prepared when we think like we realize that someone is chasing us or following us. So we can be prepared for the situation.
Yes. First of all, you need to be mentally strong. Yes. Yes. Instead of being in a state of panic, you need to what? You should use your presence of mind at that situation. And you have the technology
Yes.
also. You have the help also. So Himanshi,
Okay, this
just
reminds me, yes. What is that
that
helpline
is the
number?
number. Himanshi, suppose you are all alone in your street, maybe around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, and you see some strangers there chasing you or commenting on you. Himanshi, come on. Himanshi,
You all are aware. Tell me, you go for coachings.
Yes, ma'am.
and
what are you
You should
going to
be
do at
knowing the
that time?
number.
You're all alone on the road, and it's around 8 o'clock. You don't find anybody around, and you find some people chasing you or teasing you. What are you going to do at that time? How will you call? What would you do? Whom would you call?
Ma'am, I will ask for the help from that app. Sakhi Saheli app.
Sakhi
Sakhi
Saheli app.
Saheli app.
Acha,
Okay.
okay, good. What is that app all about? Sakhi Saheli app?
I don't know the name properly, but I'm aware that this app is specially made for girls whenever you are alone. So you can call on that app, then means many people will come for the help.
Okay, who are those
But you
people? Are
have,
they
do
from
you
police
have that
department?
app? No, you know about it, but do you have that app? Have you downloaded it?
No,
No, na?
ma'am.
So
This is what
I
is
will
it,
do
beta.
that. I will do this, I will do that. Mehak will give right. Huh? Yes, Mehak?
This is it.
Okay.
Beta, none of you is aware of this helpline number.
Helpline number.
It's,
Nobody.
I guess 1090 something.
Yes.
I
something.
guess nahi. It is
Yeah.
1090. Please learn it. Everybody should know this number.
Shubhi, what is the number? Shubhi has left the meeting, I suppose. She's there.
Ma'am, I'm there.
Achha, okay.
1090.
I need to keep, waking up. Shubhi, are you there? Shubhi. And then Shubhi suddenly reacts. Ha, beta Shubhi, what is the number?
1090.
Achha, who is going to help you if you ring at that number? Who's going to help you? Come on, you should be knowing the person. From where? See, is it a personal number we have given you of somebody? Some superman, superwoman?
No,
Shubhi?
ma'am.
Maybe some superwoman, I don't know about the new character.
No, ma'am.
Huh? Rohini, whose number
Wonder
is that?
Woman.
I don't know. Maybe Wonder Woman, Wonder Man, I don't know. We are not aware of this. We hardly get time to know about this. We are ourselves, what about us, Divya ma'am and me? We are Wonder Women. Because you leave us wondering always. Then where are you? We keep searching for you. Yes, Divya ma'am?
How aware they are, ma'am? We are telling them learn 1090. They are learning the number, not even bothered to ask whose number is this.
Whose number is it?
Great,
Beta.
great.
See, it is Divya ma'am and both of us share the same number. We'll come to this.
Very good.
Rohini, do you need our help? Rohini, do you need our help, beta?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
there. Achha, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for sure, then this number is ours.
Yes, we are superwomen, ma'am. We'll fly like
Yes.
Batmans and reach.
Yes, we'll
Ma'am,
come wherever you are.
ma'am,
Huh, beta?
ma'am, police will come to help us.
Police will come. Finally, you reached the police. We will also go. Both of us will bring the same number in case
Exactly.
somebody tries to take advantage. Somebody tries, but we are Wonder Women. Unlike you.
Beta, this is the best option. You should save this number as your SOS numbers. Like in your mobiles, you have those 3 numbers like SOS. Whenever you are in trouble, you switch, you press one digit and the message goes to 3 people. So this should be one of them, 1090. The SMS should go to them. It is the Mahila control room. They will immediately get your location from the message of your cell location, of your mobile location. And whichever highway car or highway patrol police team is in that area, immediately the message is conveyed to those people. So this is the first immediate help you'll get before your family members can approach you. As soon as you message or you call these people, your phone location reaches the control room of 1090, and you don't need to tell them also where you are. Like supposing you are at a place where you cannot talk much or you cannot give them further details, you can simply say help and disconnect, or you can simply send a message, help, that's it, on this number. You don't need to give your location. Your mobile number will itself trace location will be traced by the 1090 control room, and whichever highway patrol car is in that area, automatically the message would be conveyed. They have your location, they'll immediately reach you. So learn these things, they are available for you, but nobody is bothered. Nobody is bothered. You people are going for coachings, coming home late evenings, but you're not aware about these small things, beta. Family will come later. They will take time to come, beta. And what about the fact that you don't have so much of time to tell your family where you are? Then what? Maybe the person takes away the mobile from you. They will not give you all the time comfortably. Okay, go make a call, speak to your parents for 2 minutes. Now call your brother, now call your friend. That time will not be given at an emergency. So you need to understand these small things. Okay. Now you people tell what precautions you take.
Kasia, speak. Ananya Sharma. All of them are very quiet, man. They will not speak anything. They will not. Come on, Ananya Sharma.
This silence only is very troublesome.
It's deadly. It's killing, actually. Ananya Sharma, if somebody tries to take advantage of you, you'll keep quiet, beta. Ananya Sharma, how will you react? Because I can quote one incident which happened in the class. Ananya Sharma, are you there? Ananya Sharma?
Ma'am, actually
Do
a
you
call
remember?
came.
Okay, call came. SOS number?
Okay.
Acha.
Police must have called 1090.
Beta, so what did you say? I think you did not take our names. These two women keep troubling us. Troubling. Okay,
I hope
Ananya Sharma.
1090 does not reach our place, ma'am.
Because we are the ones, those who we trouble them often, every day. Okay, Ananya Sharma, so do you remember one incident which happened in the class? I still remember it. You reacted, instantly you reacted. Do you remember Ananya Sharma? It was Rohini or you? Okay, it was Rohini or you who reacted?
Ma'am,
Rohini,
I
are
think
you
it
there?
was Rohini.
It
Ma'am, it was
Rohini.
Rohini.
And I appreciate
What did I do, Ananya?
And what did, yes, Rohini, both of you were there together?
Ma'am, I
Ananya,
think it
what
was
did I do?
cheer or something, a fight.
Okay, I remember that.
Channel, I think, yeah, a fight.
Okay, I got you.
Yes, you remember that corner in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Something happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that kind of reactions are required
Yes,
instantly. Okay. And I think both of them handled the situation quite confidently at that time. Is it or not? Both of you?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
remember, Ananya? Yes, Rohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So don't
That's
let
really nice, ma'am. That's really nice to know. And if you remember not naming the child, one
Yes,
of the
never.
seniors simply kept crying. She came to you. She was being misused by some boy. If you remember the past batch also, but they were just crying. They did not take any action. So they were suffering.
So instantly react there. Don't hesitate to react. Okay, and if you feel that you're not able to, then you have these numbers. Okay, what about the domestic? What happens at the domestic level? How you should react, Shireen? If something happens somewhere in your house, or if somebody very close to you is involved, Shireen. Shireen, ma'am,
Ma'am?
Shireen, have you seen Shireen? She also reacts instantly.
Then also we should not stay quiet. The first
Huh?
person we should go to talk to should be our mother.
Okay, yes, that should be discussed. There also you are not supposed to keep quiet and bear or tolerate. You need to react immediately. Because what happens when something happens in the family, mostly we don't speak. Yes? We don't speak.
Gausia,
Hmm.
Gausia, would you like to say something,
Yes, ma'am.
beta? You're always so quiet. Speak out, bache. Why do you think such cases are there? So many eve teasing, domestic violence. Somewhere are the women not responsible because they don't respond or react? What is your opinion, beta?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, whatever the situation is, first of all, we should be mentally prepared to like face it. Like we should have this courage internally that whatever is going to happen, I know that I'm going to face it, and I know that I'm going to be alone in that situation, and I don't need anybody to help me out there. Like I'm enough for myself. Either it's like either it requires my physical strength or my mental strength. I should be enough for myself. Like even if it's not required to like fight physically with somebody, my words should be enough to like my independency should be like outshowed through my words itself.
Very nice. Very nice. Very confident. Too good.
Okay. That could help. That could make the other person think twice to take advantage of you. Words do matter.
And at many times the situations are like manipulated, like it gets completely against us. Like at times girls are many times like they are pointed out that हाँ उसकी गलती हो गई. At many times ma'am, I've seen
It
this
happens.
thing.
It happens. It happens.
Ma'am,
And there
in
also
the homes
question.
itself I've
Question.
seen, ma'am, at many times.
It happens.
Ma'am, girls are
Yes.
questions back. Ma'am,
Yes.
so
Girls.
in that condition, ma'am, we should be like we should have that courage to say like that nobody else should be able to speak in front of us. In that way, we should handle the such situations that they like possibly they don't go against us at all. Like we should be able to clear every single step in a very clear manner, in a very easy way, like
That means the first thing
like
is
an
that you
open
need to
picture.
object. You need to object. Object.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yes, cannot take anything for granted.
Mehak,
Okay,
you've
you need to
taken
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screenshots, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
You sent them to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Because hardly any time left, another 2-3 minutes left for the meeting to get over. Yes, beta. Anybody else? Any suggestions? Very good. Gausia spoke very well. Too good, beta. Others?
And Gausia, keep speaking like that, okay? In the class also. Clear?
Okay,
Gausia?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hardly few
Rohini,
girls.
what about you? Rohini?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't
Beta,
have
you
anything
too
to
give
Ma'am,
some
say?
suggestions?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I always carry red chili powder in my bag, in every bag, in my school bag and my all purses. So I think that girls should carry something which, when she feels unsafe, she can use it to throw it in their eyes so that they are not able to see anything, and therefore the girls can go at a safer place.
Yes, beta.
So
These days you have it's easily available online also. You can buy them. Like I got it online only for my daughter. These chili sprays and pepper sprays.
yes, ma'am. I carry them only.
Yes, ma'am.
Should always carry them. It's easier to use rather
Yes,
than carrying the wala chili. These are easier to use. And you
yes,
have
ma'am.
those taser ones. Have you heard about those?
No, ma'am.
No, tasers. It's like a torch, small thing in your hand. As soon as you press the button, like when you have a torch, the light falls on the opposite person in front of you. So the
Yes, ma'am.
rays they go to the other person and that person feels a mild electric shock, and the person faints or falls down. This is the latest thing now you have online available. Tasers, you call them, very safe for girls to use. It doesn't cause death. It's a small device. You can have it in your hand. You have to just press a button, and like torch ka light, you put it on somebody. Similarly, whomever you're going to face it towards, the other person would not even know it's in your hand. You just press a button, and the radiations, they give electric shock to that person, whoever is there in front of you. But don't take it as a fun. Don't try it on your friends and siblings. Don't do that. It's a little risky.
And one more thing, ma'am, girls should know a little bit of defense techniques.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
It should be a
How many of
compulsory
you
subject.
joined taekwondo classes? How many
Yes,
of you
I
went
was
for
about to ask.
taekwondo?
I was about to ask that, ma'am.
I know
Oh.
some of them.
Ma'am, I learned a bit of it.
Ma'am, I have learned
My
taekwondo and I'm
hobbies.
green belt in that, but I left quite time ago.
You need to have a
You
belt,
people
that's it.
prefer to sit under the tree, chatting in the
Chatting.
area or amphitheater rather than going physically out playing. Whenever there's a games period, I've seen so many girls they want to avoid going down in the field, want to sit in the class and chit chat or under a tree. Where is the physical fitness going to come from, beta?
Ma'am,
How is this going?
Ma'am, I practiced fighting with my brother physically.
So you have a pin cushion at home and you keep striking. Yes, Mehak?
Yes, ma'am.
That poor boy. Where will he go? Tell him the number also so that he can also ring sometime.
Exactly.
Huh? Give the same number to him also. Mehak?
Yes.
Pick up. Is there any other suggestion? Any practical suggestion? Ananya Yadav? Ananya Yadav? Are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
See, Anshu has again left now, ma'am. Anshu has again left.
Every single girl should know how to use technology.
Technology, yes, technology. If we have a
Ma'am, it is
technology,
really very, very important.
yes, we should know how to use technology. If we have it, we should use it. In our days, we did not have. We did not have this technology. So we lagged behind. Yes, so but now you people are lucky enough. We're so technologically advanced, so you can use that. It's at your fingertip. You know how to use it. So use it for your safety. Okay, ma'am, Anshu is not interested in these matters, ma'am. Anshu knows all
In
the
what matter she's interested, ma'am? She's not even coming for classes.
Ma'am, she can take care of herself now. She's quite independent. And that is
I'm
what
really worried, ma'am. She does not come for bio classes. She does not come for English classes.
But she will
How are
score well
things?
now. She scored quite well in the last exam. What are you worried for? In the next exam also she'll do wonders. So don't worry, ma'am. Let us not worry. Why they are not worried about themselves? Why we should worry? Yes, Priya. So Gausia, Shireen, please, Shireen, wake up. Shireen, have you slept?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, suggest some extra vitamins, some extra, nutrients to her. Look at her condition. She has not improved at all. When everyone, I think in this